We're in front of the Sisaket Tower. We're going to attempt to take you inside. They're not open yet. We'll see if we can get in.
Okay, this is Sisaket Tower, the first floor. This is our King Rama IX. And this is the Queen. And this is flower or ดอกลำดวน represent the Sisaket province. And they have fruit, rambutan and durian. Durian ภูเขาไฟ in Sisaket, very famous and so delicious.
Shows all the rice growing,
Garlic,
garlic. They're known for the garlic and onions, right?
Sisaket. You can come here with the train or public transportation. And then cathedral.
Here in the center of the tower has a lot of photographs from the old time. Everything is in Thai. It's a school. And look at this is an old one here.
High school, female high school.
That's an old female high school? Cool.
This old female high school. BC.
Okay, we got to walk up to the second floor.
They have one floor, third floor.
The first and second floor, you walk and look at everything. And then you catch the lift to go up to the 16th floor.
Oh, this police station in the past.
Old police station.
In World War II, honey. During World War II. This can, you see the instrument?
Oh yeah, it's the instrument like we saw that in Royette.
Wow. This you see like a rocket, huh?
Oh yeah, we saw that just recently.
In Yasothon.
Yasothon, right? Doing the dance.
Yes. Rocket festival.
Okay, this here is the tower we're in, and I see there's a walking trail that you can get on to go over to the mainland. This is an island.
Yeah, island. Huai Nam Kham. They call Huai Nam Kham.
This shows it's lighting up on each floor as we go up.
We're gonna go to 16th.
We're going to the 16th floor.
See from here. 1 to 16.
Here's the bridge that goes from the island to the mainland. You can park out there if you choose and walk in. We drove in to the parking lot inside by the tower, and we'll probably walk out to check it out.
You can read from here. You see this and now you are here. See, northwest. Here.
Okay, here you can see the northwest side, and it shows the points of interest. So looking outside, you can get an idea of the points of interest we were just identifying.
See the stadium? Sport. You see
In the
stadium?
sports stadium over there, I flew over these areas with the drone. And the aquarium is right down there in front of us. We're going to attempt to go to the aquarium. And the temple, I think that's the temple right there.
Tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. If I
It's a foggy morning, can't see real well. Hard to see this one. And this is the southwest view looking around. And this is the east view. Okay, these buildings down here are all growing herbs. You can see in the parking lot they have a lot of them down there. And also over here in this side. This is the garden area right out in front of the Sisaket Tower. And looking over that way is where all their hot houses and other garden areas where you can walk around. Just luckily for us, as soon as we got here to the aquarium, we found a place where we could stop and get something to eat. We're entering to the aquarium now. We don't know what the cost is or if there's a cost, and if you can video when you get inside. So we're soon to find out. Oh my God, those are big, really big. Really big. And look at the colors too. Okay, we're inside the aquarium now. Pardon the fat guy that's in the picture. It's free if you're over 60. And it costs 30 baht for younger. This one here says climbing perch. This one here is Thai red tilapia, Nile tilapia. Over here we have Java barb, silver barb. One in here. The rest of these fish, it doesn't say what they are. But the shark is swimming around in the back. Oh, there's two of them. Black car catfish. Oh, pretty big, huh? Oscar fish, red velvet, cichlid, marble cichlid, peacock-eyed cichlid, tiger Oscar, and peacock cichlid. And if you know fish, you'll know which ones are which. I have no idea. I don't think all of the ones that are mentioned are in here. Broadhead catfish. I know there are more in there. I saw them go to the top. big. Okay, here's a different one here. These are interested in the camera. This one especially, he keeps following me. But if you know fish, you can tell me what they are. Big guy. He's a really big one. Really big. Lots of them in here. I missed him going over top. Oh wow, that's a really big one there. Holy cow.
ดีเลยค่ะดีเลยพี่ขอบคุณมากค่ะที่อยู่เป็นเพื่อน
How big that guy is.
ให้ได้น้อยมากเลยเนาะที่อยู่เป็นเพื่อน
I gotta say, he's a 6-footer.
น้อยเข้ามาแล้วก็นิกมายเขาเข้ามาแป๊บเดียวเขาก็ออกไปแล้ว
Look at the size of that one. This is very cool. Yeah, he's not as big as the one on this side.
เวลาเขาไว้ที่ไม่ให้มาใส่เข้ามาเลยอ๋อนี่คือไม่บอกเลยเวลาคือไว้ค่ะไม่ค่อยมีเพื่อนเข้ามาตัวนี้ตัวใหญ่
The kids are coming.
ใช่ค่ะตัวใหญ่มากเลยนี่
Pretty good size. See how wide the head is. guy here is going to be a 6 foot or 2. Really big. I didn't notice this guy as we were walking through. I saw the aquarium is nearly empty, but this is an alligator snapper. He's a big guy too. He's really big. Okay, we hope you've enjoyed coming to today's tour with us. We went to the tower up on the 16th floor to share that with you. And
Sisaket Aquarium.
we're now at the Sisaket Aquarium. And we hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please reach down to the bottom and actually like and subscribe. It will help our channel. We appreciate it. This is Bobby and Java. Time to get going.
Out.